Hey buddies, in this video we are going to see some legends history to how to become a legend. First legend is, do you know who the guy is? He was the fifth richest person on the earth and a business legend. His name was Larry Ellison. He was totally repeated by his father as good for nothing. He was dropped out of college twice. He once bounced around from the job to job for 10 years. But now he was the fifth richest person on the earth. Next legend is Tyler Perry. Now he was an actor, director, writer, producer worth over $4 million. He was attempted suicide during his childhood. He was dropped out of high school. He was started writing to overcome his depression. So he broke in his late 20s. He lived in his car now as an actor, director, writer and producer. Next legend is Eminem. He was a best-selling artist in history. He was abandoned by his father as a baby, mercifully bullied throughout childhood, failed 9th grade 3 times, washed dishes to support his infant daughter. He attempted suicide after his first album failed. But now he was the best-selling artist in the world. Next lady legend is Charlize Theron. She was the most famous woman on the earth and she has won many academic awards and she was an award winner. She was verbally and physically abused by her alcoholic father throughout childhood. Her mother killed her father after he attacked them. A severe knee injury shattered her dream of becoming a dancer. She was broken, depressed, and she moved tortured to pursue acting and struggled for years. And now she became the most famous actor in the world. We all know this legend, Albert Einstein. He won a Nobel Prize and changed the world approach to physics. As a child, he didn't start speaking until he was 4. He was thought to be mentally handicapped. Couldn't read until he was 7. So his teacher said, "You will never win amount to anything." But now he was the person who gave a different approach to physics. And the next legend is Tom Hardy. He was expelled from school for stealing. He used to Hulk Hogan's at 13. He was addicted to alcohol plus crack cocaine at the age 16. He faced 14 years in jail for joyriding with a gun. At his 26, he collapsed in the street over his crack pipe and awoke covered in blood plus vomit. But now he was Oscar nominated a list actor plus sober over a decade. He was a man and his family collected food stamps. As an unemployed adult, he got turned down for a job at Facebook. That rejection led him to develop a messaging app which he later sold to Facebook for $19 billion. And he signed the contract at the welfare office where he used to wait in line. this lady, Estee Lauder. She became the richest self-made woman on the earth. She spent 20 years making skin creams in her kitchen and selling them to small shops. Made her first sale to a department store at the age 40. Told repeatedly a woman couldn't build a business. Everyone laughed at her for giving away free product samples to customers. She had the lost laugh by the 1990s. 1/3 of all the cosmetics sold in the US bore her name. But now she was the richest self-made woman on the earth. See the guy. He was diagnosed with the attention deficit disorder at 9. He was told by a teacher that he would never be successful at anything. He was teased mercifully for having a long arms. His wingspan and work ethic just won him his 23rd gold medal. The guy was a man. His family was so poor for a time. He was lived in a van with his family. He worked on his act in clubs for over a decade before getting his big break. 5 years he visualized putting a $10 million in his pocket and became the highest paid actor in the world. Now he was the highest paid actor in the world. That's it. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Hit a like, do share and don't forget to subscribe.